Hey adventurers, we're back with a fantastic selection of 10 gear and gadgets to take your camping trip to the next level. Please fasten your seatbelts because we are going at full speed. So, without further ado, it's time for a new adventure! Alright, at number 1 we have Geeky Multitool. This is a tool like no other. Geeky is an innovative, compact multi-tool like nothing we've seen before. It's simply a work of art with engineering that combines standard everyday tools into one sleek little solution that delivers endless capability. This next-level gear features many standard tools that have been used for decades and proven essential for simple fixes. Geeky is a solid chunk of 420 stainless steel featuring over 16 plus tool functions that each provide multiple uses. In addition, Geeky's durability and ultra-compact design make it an easy companion for your everyday carry. Geeky provides a wide range of functional possibilities, allowing it to quickly and conveniently aid you in many different scenarios. The price of this bad boy is a cheap $19. Coming in at number 2, we have MSR Wind Burner Duo. Featuring radiant burner technology and a windproof modular design, the MSR Wind Burner Duo stove system offers backpacking duos the ultra-efficient performance they want on minimalist, pace-pushing trips with the versatility to customize their cooking experience. The Wind Burner stove enclosed burner with boil-to-simmer control and pressure regulator delivers fast-boil meals and fast-brewed coffee in challenging conditions that can slow down other stoves. Also, the anti-topple stove features a small canister design and a self-centering pot for extreme conditions. This marvelous piece of engineering includes a 1.8-liter pot, perfect for 2, and nests all system components for easy packing, offering a range of cooking options to withstand different journeys. This is the perfect stove for every trip. The price is only $199. But can you put a price on luxury cooking? Okay, next up, Off-Grid Tools Survival Axe. This is the ultimate outdoor multi-tool axe. With 31 features, this next-level gear is ready for any situation. From mowing, clearing debris, demolishing, hitting and removing tent stakes, or even repairing your deer stand. Construction incorporates a full steel tang and axe head with an ultra-tough, lightweight, glass-filled nylon handle, a resharpenable axe blade, and a hammerhead and claw. The 6-inch internal interchangeable bimetal saw blade folds out of the handle, locks into place, and will cut just about anything you need. The gas valve shutoff faucet with an integrated bottle opener saves the day in multiple ways. In addition, this axe features a car escape tool at the base of the handle that includes a seatbelt cutter and a window punch. The price of this baby? Only $49. Now we're going to look at the Jackery Explorer 1000-watt portable power station. This, right here, is one of the most powerful portable power stations for outdoor activities. With a capacity of 1,002 watt-hours, it can deliver 1,000 watts of power using multiple output ports. Therefore, it covers the energy needs of most high-power appliances. This power station fully charges with 2 Jackery Solar Saga 100-watt solar panels in 6 hours, or just 5.5 hours via AC wall outlet charging. The Jackery Explorer 1000 is ideal for your camping or family emergency storage. With its compact and wireless design, the Explorer 1000 is one of the best investments for your outdoor party. It could run most of your essential outdoor appliances and electronics. When you need power in special circumstances, the Jackery Explorer 1000-watt portable power station can also be your reliable backup power source for refrigerators, TV, electric grills, fans, and more. Isn't that amazing? The price of this absolute wonder is $1,099. Start your adventure trip with our instant pop-up tent. Explore nature and enjoy the outdoor adventure. This amazing tent is ready in just 3 seconds. Toss it in the air and watch it pop open without searching for poles or complicated instructions. This tent features a spacious interior design with a capacity for 4 to 6 people in a sleeping bag. The Pali Go Easy Pop is the perfect tent for traveling. The price of this incredible gear is only $149. How about some coffee on the go? Up next, we have the Wacaco Nanopresso portable espresso maker. Getting the perfect espresso has never been so easy. Nanopresso is one of the best and most versatile espresso machines. Built around a recently patented pumping system, the Nanopresso is capable of remarkable coffee extraction qualities. Thanks to its innovative construction and easy operation, Nanopresso will help you prepare perfect cups with a nice, dense layer of cream every single time. It's delightfully easy to operate and super easy to clean. The Nanopresso requires 15% less force to pump compared to the previous models. When needed, all of the portafilter components easily separate for thorough cleaning. This fantastic portable coffee maker makes it easy to prepare excellent espressos and other coffee drinks anytime, anywhere. The price of this slick machine is $69. Pack up your gear and hit the road with the Backroadz truck tent. After a long day on the water or in the woods, just camp in the back of your truck and relax. No matter where your adventure takes you, you'll always have the perfect camping oasis. The Backroadz truck tent mounts seamlessly in the back of your truck, creating the ultimate camping oasis wherever your truck takes you. Perfect for a spontaneous road trip, a hike in the mountains, or even a day at the beach. Zippered storm flaps on windows and doors provide privacy and weather protection. An entire tent floor keeps you clean from your truck and dry from the elements. This tent has a spacious interior where 2 adults can sleep comfortably. In addition, it has a pocket for equipment and a lamp holder to keep personal items organized. This one right here is only $191 in discount while supplies last. You guys have got to check out the Klecker Knives Clax Lumberjack. The Clax is the answer for anyone who wants the utility of carrying an axe on their adventure, but does not want to carry one. The Clax is a reinvented tomahawk with a tremendous amount of utility. It's a handheld device with 7 different tools that can be used without a handle. When a hammer or an axe is needed, it can be used as a hand tool to make your handle from a branch found in the field. The Clax is the ultimate survival accessory, small enough to pack into any bag and strong enough for just about any situation. The sweet price of this guy is only $139. How about a multi-tool belt buckle? I know I need one of those. You can wear or use the Sync 1 anywhere and never again wonder where you put your multi-tool. The Sync 1 features 11 tools and an incredibly compact belt buckle design that detaches from a versatile clip-on base. Not a belt wearer? No problem. Just put it in your pocket or pack it. This camping multi-tool includes a straight blade, pliers, tweezers, a screwdriver, and a 3-sided knife. Use Sync 1 to tackle any task you'd handle with a typical multi-tool. The rest is history. SOG is made to last and last and last. The price of this is a well-invested $57. And for our last item, we have the Caveman Grill. Thinner and lighter than a laptop, enjoy the functionality of a grill without all the bulk. It weighs a few pounds, much lighter than stainless steel, folds down to a half-inch flat, and comes in its carry bag. Get authentic barbecue flavor and aroma. Give your food that classic smoky flavor. This camping grill works with charcoal, pellets, wood chips, sticks, or even our bonus propane burner accessory. Get more food ready in no time. Designed with 3 skewer slots located just below the grill so you can grill kebabs while grilling steaks and burgers. You can enjoy big bushcraft breakfasts. This heavy-duty portable grill comes with a flat-top griddle as an accessory for frying bacon, eggs, or sausage. The price of this incredible piece of engineering is only $200. Now, get out there and have an adventure.